How to link bank account to Cash App. All right, once you're on the main screen, look up at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down a little bit until you see Linked Banks and give that a tap. Right here, you'll see your existing cards. Go ahead and tap on Link Bank. Cash App uses a super secure system called Plaid to connect to your bank safely. So just tap Continue at the bottom to get started. Now, tap on the search bar at the top to type in your bank. For this video, I'm going to choose Capital One, but go ahead and select whichever one you use. Before logging in, make sure all three of these permission checkboxes are toggled on so your data syncs up properly. Then hit Continue to log in. This brings up your bank's secure page. Just type in your usual username and password and tap on Sign In. Perfect. Next, you'll see a couple of standard confirmation screens letting you know what data is being shared. Don't worry, it's just the basic info needed to link them. Tap Continue at the bottom right, and then tap Continue one more time on the next page. Here's where you choose which specific account you want to link. I'm going to go with my second account right here, so I'll just check the box next to it and hit Continue at the bottom right. We are almost there. Review the summary, tap Authorize in the bottom right corner, and give it a quick second to process. Awesome! You'll see a green check mark saying your bank account was successfully linked. Just hit Done at the bottom, and you are totally good to go. And that's all it takes. Now that your bank is officially connected, you're probably ready to start moving some cash. Tap on the video on your screen right now where I show you exactly how to transfer money from Cash App straight to your bank account. See you over there.